Let's figure out how much you have to make in order to comfortably afford a brand new Dodge Charger Hellcat. My final build came out to a total of $87,000 with a 7% tax rate, $93,000. After putting down 20% or around $18,000, your total loan amount is $75,000 over 5 years, which brings your monthly cost to around $1,400. The average annual maintenance cost is around $650 or $54 per month. The average annual insurance cost is around $2,500 or $210 per month. This brings your total monthly cost to around $1,700, which would be 10% of your monthly gross income times it by 12 to get your annual gross income. So in order to very comfortably afford a brand new Dodge Charger Hellcat, you need an annual gross income of around $200,000.